Sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Sharks make 2 changes for Currie Cup final at Ellis Park. Sport. Emmanuel Tshituka starts at number 8 for the Sharks in the Currie Cup final. Steve Haag Sports/Gallo Images. The Sharks have named their team for Saturday's Currie Cup final against the Lions in Johannesburg. Coach John Plumtree has largely stuck with the team that drew 40-40 after extra time with the Bulls in Pretoria, making just 2 changes. Emmanuel Tshituka starts at number 8 in place of Phepsi Buthelezi, while Jurenzo Julius replaces Francois Venter at outside centre. The Sharks advanced to the final because they scored more tries than the Bulls. The Durbanites are also on an 8-game winning streak. Sharks assistant coach Warren Whiteley says he's proud of the effort and character displayed at Loftus Versfeld last weekend. Now we're in the final, which is really special, a great opportunity for us. We've built nicely over the last few weeks. The Lions are also a great side, that's why they're top of the log and they've proved that throughout the competition. It's going to be a massive test for us, but one we're really looking forward to. This is the final and we're treating it with respect. We want to honor the tradition of the Currie Cup. We're looking forward to the challenge. The Lions are a quality side who got the better of us a couple of times. They have a massive, dominant pack and some explosive backs and we can't wait to get out there, said Whiteley.